How to remove or delete your username in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can remove or delete a username in Telegram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to remove or delete the username in Telegram, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we have to launch the Telegram application on our device. Once we launch the Telegram app and you do not want to have a username, is that possible? So let's check. Tap the three lines icon from the top left and tap on your profile. You'll come here and this is currently our username. So let us suppose that I do not want to have any username here, and then just hit the arrow icon. You can see it's completely possible. I can choose to not have any username at all. So just cross out all the username that you have here, tap the check button, and now you can see we do not have a username on Telegram. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.